Alright guys, welcome back. What we're going to do is we're going to thread this 1224. We're going to use a tailstock button die holder and a 3-jaw chuck. And I can't thread this all the way. This has got a blind hole in it, so I can't go all the way. So I'm going to go as far as I can. I'll hit the brake. I'll take this off and I'll finish it by hand. Going to turn it so I can see in that hole there. Let's put a little bit of a chamfer on that. Drop this down. Juice it up good. Speed that up a little bit. Alright, I want to thread it just so that I match. Well, a little bit more because I want to match the same profile. Doesn't have to be perfect, but and that looks pretty good. Alright, let's see if it fits. I can hold it square. Fits pretty good. That would have taken forever to single point, especially two of them. Alright, so we'll set up the next step. The next step is going to be to, I don't know, maybe I'll face down, put that little radius in here, or do the groove, one or the other. But we'll set it, I'll bring you back when I'm all set up. Alright, so I got a mag back indicator on the ways. I'm going to come in with this cutter. I'm going to touch the face. I'm going to come over the appropriate amount, and I'm going to touch the OD and come in about 415 thousandths. Okay, about 115 thousandths, sorry. I think that came out a lot nicer. Zoom it in. We'll take a file and put a little chamfer on the side of that, but it looks really good. Alright, so I looked through the tool bit bin and I found a grooving tool that is, you know, within 1,000th of what I was looking for. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to touch the side of this feature right here, and I'm going to come over 146 thousandths, and I'm going to go in once again about 114, because the outside diameter of this groove should be right around 300 thousandths. But I'm going to check it. I mean, all it has to be is enough so that this fits in there and it's a little loose so it doesn't bind. Use my mag back indicator. All right. See if it fits. Needs a little bit more. I cut this about 102. I need a little bit more. I'd rather shoot under than over. Still fitting pretty snug as far as the OD. A little more. This one about another 5. It's just fitting over there. So I'm going to go in there and take a couple more thousandths. Alright, that looks pretty good. Fits perfect. It's just a little loose. That's what we want. Alright, so I'm going to hit both sides of this groove with a file, and then we'll come over here and we'll pot it off. Put it back in a collet on the thread, and I believe I have a collet. Yeah, I got a 7/32 collet, so I'll throw this in a collet and we will turn this to length, plus we'll put the little end on here. Okay, alright. Alright, so I'm going to just put this up against here, roughly line up my parting tool to give myself a little bit extra to cut off. Yeah, that looks good. And we'll cut this off. Came out pretty good, and I like that feature on the face. Came out pretty nice. Okay, let's set up for the next operation. Alright, so we set it up in a collet. The head of this screw has a little bit of a radius, okay, and then kind of like a little bit of a chamfer on the end. So I set it up so that I matched it pretty good. Now I'm gonna have to touch it with a file a little bit. I measured it with this little square, and we'll just come up until we get the depth that we're looking for. It's a little under 600,000, somewhere around there. That looks pretty good. Let's put a little radius on it. Alright, so that looks pretty good. The only thing is it doesn't really have the little 45 radius, so we'll spin this around and just touch it. And that looks pretty good. Alright, so the only thing left we got to do here is do the other end and put the little pilot on there and then the cross hole.